Today we're going to be fidget spinning. So let's get on with the video. What should I try today? Now I'm just going to close my eyes and pick randomly. Hopefully I don't try to pop it or something like I love. So let's get started. Okay. I got it this monkey, which I never used, so I'm pretty happy. Now let's get on to the video. Trading monkey, never coming back. That was in the circus. Going one, super legendary in the game. Going once, going twice. OMG, please! It was my dream pet. Okay, God, what's your offer? Okay, I'm gonna check in my bucket. Okay, I would trade this poppet and I would trade all of these balls. And I trade all of these moches. And this I don't know what you call it, a wacky track, and the spinner thing, and this homemade stress ball thingy. Would you do it? Okay, well, she's way overpaying, so I'm gonna accept. Actually, I'm gonna let her just put one more thing. Please just put one more thing because this is super legendary to the game. Okay, I trade this homemade poppet. You just got yourself a deal. That was so good. Now we're gonna put it in my whole entire collection. Like, I love this homemade poppet. I mean, I don't really love it, so we're gonna trade it, and it might be the same thing, but that's okay. It's still gonna be fun. So let's put it on our collection. Now, this is supposed to be here, so I put it there. And now I'm super happy. Now I'm gonna get my monkey back. Okay. Let's do it again. What should I trade today? Hold on. I know I already traded monkey, and I really love poppet, but I'm gonna trade this spinner because I never use him. So let's get on. Trading spinner that would never come back in the game. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Literally nobody offered. OMG, me please. Okay, what's your offer? I would trade this and this wacky track. This and there's my sister. And this homemade squishy. And I trade these balls again, this poppet, and this here. Would you please accept? You just got yourself a deal. But first, can I check the fidgets? Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay. Okay. This is probably a scam. Haha, I scammed you! Get my monkey back. Yes! Wait, no! Bye, guys! Blow it.